Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Sharp decline in the US markets coupled with weak openings in Asian markets are likely to lead to a slightly lower start for the domestic equity market. Growing concerns are proposed tax cuts by the US government that could widen the fiscal deficit. US Treasury yields spiked with the 10-year bond yield rising 10 basis points to a 3-month high of 4.59% after weak demand in the 20-year bond auction raised further worries. Meanwhile, FIIs were net buyers, and optimism surrounding a potential US-India interim trade deal, possibly to be announced before July 8, is supporting some sentiment. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 22nd May 2025, Nifty Index opened on a positive note and witnessed a roller coaster ride in the first half of the session, with sharp swings of around 100 to 150 points on each side. But in the later part of the day, the index got stuck in a range and moved within a very narrow band. Despite facing consistent selling pressure at higher levels, notable support-based buying was seen around 24,700, which helped cap the downside. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a small-bodied bullish candle with wicks on either sides, indicating buying interest at lower levels. India VIX was up by around 1% to 17.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.81. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,200 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 683 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 37%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 24,700 for an up move towards 25,000, while supports are placed at 24,700 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,000 for an up move towards 55,555, while a hold below the same could see some profit booking towards 54,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Solar Industries, BEL, Siemens, HAL and IRB Infra, while some weakness can be seen in Dixon Technologies, Max Healthcare and Kotak Bank. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.